What's up, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. YouTube is testing a new feature called the A/B thumbnail. I will be talking about it in this video. If you're new to this channel, hit the like and subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications so you get all the videos like this. So YouTube is currently testing out a system where you can upload two different thumbnails for the same video, and after a short period of time, YouTube will determine which one of your thumbnails is the best. They will let you know which one of your two thumbnails is bringing more viewers and more subscribers, and then that thumbnail will be your main thumbnail. I'm kind of very excited for this feature and I cannot wait for it to be added to all the channels on YouTube. What do you guys think about it? Let me know in the comment section down below.